That tea gift box seems thoughtful. The heart-shaped design and delicate colors indicate it's for a special lady. The wide selection of 27 teas and rich aroma would make her think of you every time she drinks them. Give it to your lovely girlfriend. The Heartbeat Candle Diffuser is a creative gift with a romantic message. The lighting mechanism resembles a beating heart. The pink color and pleasant fragrance from the candles and wax melt would bless the air when lit. The petite size makes it adorable. The fruit-shaped drink bottles in cute colors like green and blue are perfect for her. The zippered rabbit ear pouch is incredibly endearing with Lucky Charms inside. The soft texture adds to the charm. In summary, meaningful gifts with thoughtful details. Creative designs and romantic messages are guaranteed to delight her and express your love. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.